Welcome back to a very special episode of the Boostly podcast, and we are going to delve into a Boostly tune-up. So this is a lots of different series. It's like a Boostly multiverse, and I'm helping lots of different hosts tune up their business so they can get more bookings. Now, the gent that I am helping today is Kevin from Patriot VR. Kevin has got a Boostly website. It's live, and he is very honest to say that he has done nothing proactively in terms of getting people to the site. From the Google Analytics, he's seen that he's at about 100, but it should be so much more. So what we're going to do today, and this is like a little segment of our chat. Our chat in total is about an hour. I'm taking little segments so I can present it to you, to show him what he needs to do, but it will help you as well. We delve into tools, tactics, and if you want to find out more about Boostly TuneUp, just email mark@boostly.co.uk, put in the subject heading Boostly TuneUp. And if you are part of Team Boostly, so if you've got a Boostly website, content creator, academy, all the things that we talk about today, you can get access to. So go and check it out. Log into your dashboard and take advantage and use it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time that you've done so, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, download, tell a host, share with a friend, all of the good stuff. But now let's jump into our chat and you can find out more about how I'm helping Kevin at Patriot VR get more direct bookings via getting more traffic to his website. Speak soon.
Once they get to the website, what's the best way to get them through? I feel like the only thing that could be inhibiting them is just the booking process part, like with Guesty maybe when they're clicking. And then do you have any tips on that part?
So as far as like the whole booking process and all of that, let's just say this. Somebody who's coming to your website the first time, and then again, we just got to like take a step back and just sort of think about the whole how people book, etc. They are very unlikely to make a booking right there first time on the site for a number of reasons. Number one, it could be they've got to go away and ask the partner, check with the families, check with multiple people that are going to be booking X, Y, and Z. They'll probably come onto your site to do, a bit of research. They'll come and find out more about you, especially if they're coming to you via a blog, etc. So they'll probably come and do a little bit of research. And then what I would recommend, and let me just go onto the site and I'll share my screen with you now.
Yeah.
So what I really recommend is we've got a really cool put together website. It looks stunning. The properties look amazing. You see this here with the subscribe. What I would do is I would have a little pop-up come up on the site. And again, it's something that your digital marketing manager can definitely help with. It's just a case of installing a plugin that will help do this for you. But when a new visitor comes to the site, say that they're on the site for like 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes, having a good read, look around, a pop-up will come and say,
yeah,
would you like to find out our top 10 places to visit or find out like cool things to do in the area? Just leave your email address, and then that becomes where you bring them to your email list. By having an active email list, which you're going to have, then it's really effective, because what you're doing is you're basically nurturing that visitor to your website to becoming more comfortable with you as a brand, as a business. You can explain who you are, why you do this. your story is fantastic. Find out so much about you, why you do this, why the team, etc. And again, it will just keep them in the loop.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.